Sports rant guy sucks. Sound effects guy is the best.
What the fuck is this? Oh, I see. Just because you get a couple comments about how you're the better one, you think you can take over my show? I don't think so. I am the sport rank guy. This is my show, and the fans want me. Actually, we have them bet. Who would you like better? Me, sport rank guy, or fucking crabs? Side effects guy.
Hey, fuck you, man.
Yeah, crabs, look out here.
Oh, my leg!
Oh, fuck, he just tripped. Alright, man. Guys, I think you should vote for me, mostly because I've been giving you the sports details here, now, whenever you want them. In fact, I'm coming with the Leaf game. If whoever saw Leafs vs. Dallas, here's what you guys think. Shoot more on the power play, maybe that one. Play better D. Don't give up fucking easy. Oh fuck, they score. Or just avoid third periods like we always do. Well, we should have scored a goal in the third period. We scored like the first 3 minutes of the game, then we get shut out. Like, come on, guys. That's hurting us. I can't go to school no more. Right when I go to school. Hey, how about them Leafs? Oh, yeah, well, my Leafs won, like, last night. Yeah, well, my team won, the Canadians. Mine's the Calgary Flames. Mine's the Vancouver Canucks and Sabres. They're the best. Yeah. And side effects guy, well, he doesn't like sports. That's right. You all love him, but he doesn't like sports. He just fucking plays the guitar. I don't like it, man. I'm losing my viewers. It's horrible. That's all me, man. He's a faggot. Vote for me, please. I can't take this no more.
Sports rant guy sucks.